Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here I got this 2020 Honda Accord Sport. Customer wanted a set of headrest DVD players, so we took care of that for them. And installed these 10-inch seatback monitors. It is dual DVD, so each child can watch something different. Or you can simply link them together and they can watch the same thing. They come with wireless headphones, one for each. Sound can be played through the wireless headphones, or you can put it on a radio station and it would play through the car. You can smart stream your phone. Does have apps. This is an Android based system. And there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching.